This space is an exciting one. It serves pre-K all the way through 8th grade. One of the big things that powered this space was listening to the students, listening to Miss Hackett and the larger school community. It became really clear that we wanted a super modernized, literacy-focused learning space with technology infusion.
I think I'm most excited about the fact that I get to marry technology with the library. It feels like a genuine technology space, but it also still feels like a genuine library. So there's not a pull for one more than the other.
We recognize that technology and students being able to work in a technological environment, students being able to understand technology, understand AI, understand all of those things, we have to make sure that they have the resources to do that.
Rise on 3, everybody. 1, 2, 3.
Rise!
I mean, it's twofold for me. I'm a Birmingham City graduate. I started my teaching career here. I know these students. I've come from where they come. We are from the same neighborhood. I know the resources that they are lacking. How do we build a space that supports those students acquiring those skills, having access to those technologies that they may not be able to, and the space does that.